ARP studs on. But to pull the old hubs out. Grant's over here helping out. He's done this before. More safety, stronger. Yep, and we're over here pressing in the new bearing and spindle.
It's all set up, ready to go. It's just gonna slide right in.
Go. Where's the stock stud? Let's show them. This is the difference. It's OEM stud. That's the ARP stud. And you can see why it matters. You know, you want to get, you know, almost have the bolt coming all the way through. You know, and that's a lot more grip. And also we can put whatever size wheel spacer we want on there. Way to go. So here you go. This is the Fortunato 510, the front coilover, and it just looks beautiful in the car. It went in real easy, very simple install, and really cool. This little lock collar right here. What's interesting about this setup is you don't have to use multiple, collars to be able to adjust the preload and the ride height. It's all done here. So if you loosen this little Allen head, then this collar will turn independently from the shaft, allowing you to adjust the preload. If you lock it down and you turn the collar, the entire shaft will move, allowing you to adjust the ride height. So now you can get the job done with one wrench instead of having two different size wrenches to carry around with you. So very cool there. You can see the model number 140 up here, meaning that it's a 14,000K. And then we move on to the back. We have installed new wheel bearings and new studs. You can see how long these bad boys are, ARP studs. And then we got the Fortunato back here. And again, everything is nice and solid, beautiful design. And it's awesome. So it looks really nice. Unfortunately, can't really see this stuff while the car's moving, but hell, when it's up in the air, it's worth looking at. Replace the lower trailing arms with Megan Racing. Solid lower trailing arms, spherical bearings. This is really nice because it helps eliminate wheel hop and oscillations in the suspension from vibration. And again, solid toe link up here, which just keeps everything nice and solid and keeps the wheel from trying to toe in and out, on and off load, especially when we're making a lot of power. Things like to move around. So that's that. NASA, Seth Allen, thanks for sending this over. He works for the Orion space program. I kind of thought these tubes looked sort of Orion. So that's it, man. Appreciate it. Check back with me. I'm going to finish up the other side of the car. Got a few bushings need to be pressed out and replaced. And it's going to be ready. Now, again, people keep asking, well, what about brakes? What about brakes? Well, everything is one step at a time. We're going to be replacing the front brakes here soon. I've got an order out on some new brakes. And you're just gonna have to wait and see. We got some cool things going on. I got some custom ducting ideas. We're probably gonna upgrade the front splitter. We're gonna be corner weighting the car, and I'll introduce you to the driver that'll be taking this thing out, and he'll kind of run you through some of the concepts and ideas behind the car. And yes, sir. So again, I want to thank Terry from Fortune Auto. I want to thank Chris Tran. Thanks for hooking me up with these coilovers. I'm super excited to try this stuff out on the racetrack, see how it handles. Again, the company is awesome. I called these guys and needed an upgrade on the front springs to the 14Ks. They sent them out the same day. That's not something that you see in this world very common anymore. People that answer the phone and do everything that they can to help their customer as fast as possible. It's a really awesome thing to be a part of and be able to call up and have help like that. So really appreciate it. Can't wait to get this car out there. Got more videos coming soon. I'm going to introduce you to the driver, Brian. and you're going to see how the car gets corner weighted and balanced, and all of his recommendations for getting a car set up on the track. And we got some other race cars for you to check out as well that are in the shop. So thanks a lot. Also want to thank the guys at Speed South for helping out, and of course I'm renting this space from them. And so thanks a lot, guys. Talk with you soon.